fire up the mill for the first time. Check the oil. I know I filled it. Sea oil there. Put a whole liter in it. I think there's something I was supposed to check. Run the belts dry first. Do not run lubricant for the initial 30 minutes of milling. Run the blade dry to break in the belts. After the belts have broken in, the below lubricant can be used. Test the blade tracking to ensure the blade band is centered on the wheels. Check the blade tension to ensure it's fully tensioned. Always mill at full throttle. After the first hour of use, inspect the belt tension and adjust if required. Fuel on, choke on. Three pulls, two pulls, three pulls. Gotta adjust that. You see that? Got no throttle. Adjust it here. Let's try that. Winch. Put the winch on too. I'll bolt that on first. That'll work. That's tight. That's tight. This one, slow speed. No, it's slow. I want slow. I want fast. This goes here. That ain't going on right now. Whoop. The other side of this. Bring this one down here. This fella down a little further. Bugger. I got something that'll pull it down. Try that. Probably too much. Too much, I guess, eh? around the log, through the bunk. I gotta take my fender off. Take the bottom clip. There we go. Take that off. See what I did wrong already. Pass that through the other way. Like this. Underneath. And then back. Try that again. I'm learning. That's better. I better put some stops in here. Alrighty. I want it to go on that front bunk. It's gotta go like that to get on the front bunk. Try to get it on 3 bunks. Take them off. Two dogs on it. I don't know if you need 2 dogs. Try a cut, see how it goes. First cut. This is a learning experience. And knock them off. Run a little still. I'll be out of gas. More than likely. Bone dry. Ain't running a little still. She bone dry. Okay, I got it down to 11 inches, I think. This gotta work this a little bit. I got them turned the wrong fucking way. This should be the other way. I'm learning. It's a learning experience. See, I got a fucking hornet's nest underneath there. It's gonna have to go. That's gotta go. You gotta go, you little fuckers. Get. Get. Okay, let's try that again. Revving up. Not revving up like it should. I pull that cable some more. There's a learning curve to this, for sure. Almost did it. That was close. That was close. Well, that was a learning experience. First log. Ended up with a little better than an inch because I didn't change my log scale. That's fine. I'll use it. Everything worked good. I'm happy. I'm happy. That there, that there. Made some sawdust. That's always a good thing. What I got there, roughly 8-inch, looks like 8-inch. I never measuring tape. That's going to be it for the first log. That was pretty cool. That was fun, actually. I wouldn't stop, but it's time to stop. It's quitting time. I'll have to come back tomorrow and with a level. I didn't even have a level. She cut good without a level. This side got to go down. I can see it. That's fine. We're just learning. Everything worked good. These here, the answer when you get it square-sided, you get a square cant. They're the answer. I'll have to watch some videos tonight. It's gonna be it for this video. If I even post it, not sure. Sawmill. Sawmill in action, call it. First log sawed. Like and subscribe, and you will see more. Thanks for watching.